How to import data from Excel to Tally. It takes a lot of time for accountants in the office to enter one by one in Tally for hours. Tally Solution has added a new update to Tally Prime 4.0, which has made it very easy for accountants to work. Please watch till the end without skipping. Come on friends, today I will teach you all how to import data from Excel to Direct Tally. Here you can see I have opened the Excel file. Here is voucher date, voucher type, ledger name, ledger amount DRCR, bank ledger amount DRCR, and change mode. You need this format. If you are confused about something, please comment me. I will provide you. Now we have come to the gateway of Tally. Click on Import option above. Now click on Manage, click on Mapping Template. You all click on Create Transaction. I will click on Alter because I have already done the action, so I have clicked on Alter. Mapping Template window is opened. Here I select Template Payment. The location of my Excel file is showing in the file path. The name of my Excel is in the file you import. I select Payment in the worksheet name. A warning pop-up has opened and it is asking us a question. We press any key. Now a new window has opened. As far as you can see, there is a table field, and the other one is a column of Excel. And what we need to pay attention to here is that both should be the same, just enter and go. Now our mopping work is done. Finally, now I'm going to import the data. Click on Import button, click on Transaction. Here the window of Import Transaction is opened. Select Excel in file format, select file text. Select voucher in file you import. Select payment in worksheet name. Because we are payment. Importing data, select payment in mapping template. Select accounting voucher in type of voucher. Select yes. In preview import. Summary backup company. Data before import. Select no. Here you can see another import summary of accounting. Voucher window is opened. We are not going to import 247 data entries from 12th March to 16th March in the transaction period. Now click on the Import button. Data is being imported. Finally, import completed. The message has been sent successfully. That is, it has come to our Excel spreadsheet to Tally software. Press any button to continue. Press any button. All the data of spreadsheet gone to Tally software. Thank you for watching this video, and friends, I hope you will like and subscribe this channel.